So over the last weekend, I went to visit my high school friend Philip, and I spent a good 90 minutes shooting hoops with his 10-year-old twins. We had a lot of fun, and they tried very hard to beat me. In their minds, it's 2 against 1. But my message to them was this: very soon, but not today. Now, I played basketball for over 20 years, and I'm still a big fan till this day. I was taught how to play by my dad, and it remains one of my fondest childhood memories. I remember each time I played, I tried my best to beat him. And as I got older, I became taller, quicker, and stronger. The scores got closer and closer. Eventually, when I was 15, I was able to beat him. What a glorious day it was. Now for me, beating your mom and dad, whether it's in a game of basketball, rugby, tennis, or even a card game, it's one of those rites of passage that we should all go through. In our always-on world, instant gratification has become the norm, and the delayed gratification has become almost like a lost art. I think for the sake of building confidence or boosting team morale, parents and leaders on occasion remove obstacles that children or employees might or should face. For that reason, minimal effort or simply showing up is sometimes rewarded. For example, participation trophies. Now, I have received one for a 5-kilometer race. Did I value that medal? Not at all. It's collecting dust somewhere. Now, I think this creates a false perception between effort versus outcome. The lesson I want to share with you in this video is this: think about your most prized memory or your best achievement. Did it take a lot of hard work, patience, and resilience? I'm guessing it's a resounding yes. So why would you want to rob your child or employee of that same experience? Now, I'm very certain the day that the Phillips twins beat me one-on-one, it'll be very special for them because they worked hard for it. It was not simply handed to them. So dear parents and leaders, think about your own life and journey so far. Hard work usually beats talent that doesn't work hard. So let's not rob them of that lesson, because what is delayed is not denied. Very soon, but not today. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please head over and click the subscribe button. Till next time, ciao.